and her mommy and her brother. Won't you come, everybody, to our house?
That's what it says there?
Uh-huh.
Read it again, please.
I already just read it.
Can you do it again? Can you do it again?
I need to open it first.
No. Okay, read it again. Read it.
Dear Estelle and her mommy and her brother. Everybody, won't you come to our house?
Wow. Good girl.